Knowing what the trends are extremely important for any businessman, whether local or online. It is important to know what it is in demand and to be in constant touch with the consumer, the public, the people who are going to need and buy the products or services you sell. When you know what is hot, you can anticipate the need long before it reaches its peak. To start off, let's identify trends and fads. While both may be the latest and most in-demand product, trends endure, fads fade away. Trends are here to stay and over time may become classic pieces or everybody necessities. Fads are simply whims that are subject to the fickleness of the crowd, usually the younger generation. In the eyes of the businessman, the ability to recognize a trend and a fad can mean the difference between the success and the failure of the business. While both may prove to be profitable, trends' understandability can be demanded as a constant source of income. In the Philippines, the current business trends are spas and wellness shops. You simply cannot travel a few kilometers without seeing a spa, offering some massage package or even just a simple foot spa. It doesn't really matter what sort of spa, nail spa, head spa, or another variant. Suffice to say, spas or businesses are definitely booming. Additionally, gyms are sprouting left and right. And while they may not be as fast or as dense as the spas, but these go-tos are definitely one of the in things this year. Now, that the current wave of consumer preferences have been identified, it is important next to set apart the trend from the fad. It seems likely the wellness shops may be endure the whims of the public, but specialty shops may soon be forgotten. In the light, gyms might also be lasting businesses, although if they are going to coexist in such heavy numbers, it's a debatable idea. It always helps to revert to the news to know the latest going on. To start up businessman or even the seasoned tradesman, keeping attuned to the times is important. You want your trade to be current, hip, fresh, and in demand while making sure that this is not a firebush that is going to die out soon. A smart businessman might study the latest drift of consumers and then either provide the service himself or be the supplier for other businesses that are in direct contact with the buying public. A good example of these are the suppliers of spa products and massage oils or even dealers of exercise machines. On both counts, the demand will always come in while there is an ample time to pull the plug should the buying public's interest wane. Most people, when they go into business, do so because they believe will be successful at doing something that they are already good at, where they have loads of experience or which is related to their existing profession.